Should human intervention be required for AI to create new AI? A meaningful discussion between technology, law, and ethics, all in this new podcast episode of the Law of the Future podcast. Let's kick off. Welcome to the Law of the Future podcast. It features articles and insights from Dennis Hillemann, an international expert in law and technology. He is a partner at the Hamburg office of the global law firm Field Fisher.
This article has been published by Dennis Hillemann on Medium. It is read to you by an artificial intelligence. The introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized how we think of the world. With its capacity to automate any task, some people question if AI has to be supervised by humans when creating new AI. To investigate this, we'll study a blog post by entrepreneur Rhett Power in which he claims that human input is essential for AI advancement. We'll examine the benefits and drawbacks of human support when it comes to creating AI and determine if Power's argument is pertinent today. AI can develop AI. Can machines create other machines without human input? Yes, they can. AI systems are designed to make decisions by using real-time data. This means that rather than simply carrying out the commands given to them, these systems can learn and adapt as they encounter new information. For instance, AI is helping to improve the accuracy of weather forecasts by analyzing data from satellites and other sources. By utilizing AI to enhance weather forecast, we can potentially reduce the effects of weather-related catastrophes. AI is also being utilized to diagnose medical conditions, with computer systems analyzing medical images to locate patterns that human doctors may have missed. By utilizing AI for diagnosis, lives may be saved. Additionally, AI is being used to analyze financial data and recognize patterns that human investors could miss. By applying AI to financial analysis, better investment decisions can be made. These are just some of the ways in which AI is being used to create new AI. The potential of this technology is incredible. AI needs humans, or does it? But do we really want AI to create new AI without human participation? In a recent article from Forbes, entrepreneur Rhett Power outlines the need to keep humans involved in AI. Power suggests that as AI is being developed and deployed in more areas of our lives, it is important that it be built in such a way that its functioning is transparent and people can understand the algorithms behind it. As Power argues, if AI is left a black box, its decisions and functioning will remain a mystery, leaving the people affected by it without the need to understand its operation. Power believes that a combination of human interference and AI is necessary to guarantee that AI is employed properly and bringing benefit rather than superseding us. He puts forward that no human should ever be totally replaced by AI, but rather, its application should only be restricted to automatic operations and supplying us with more information to analyze. Moreover, AI ought to be subject to the same ethical principles as any other technology, with laws in place to make sure it is not abused. But is this right? The other point of view. One factor against human control is that it might slow down the growth of AI. Building AI machines is very intricate and requires lots of resources, time, and expertise. If people have to give guidance, it could mean more complexity and a potential holdup in the development process. Plus, humans may not always comprehend the intricacies of AI and the possible uses for it, which may further postpone progress. Furthermore, morality and potential bias might become an issue with human involvement. Human beings can make decisions based on their personal ideas and values, which could be contrary to what is best for the AI system. People are also prone to mistakes and may not be able to entirely comprehend the outcomes of their choices. For instance, a human programmer could incorporate a bias into the algorithm that could generate unjust consequences. The human factor. The most convincing argument for the inclusion of human input in AI creation is that it may not have the necessary understanding of human values. AI can be extremely efficient in certain activities, but it does not always grasp the intricacies of human behavior. For example, facial recognition algorithms driven by AI may be used to increase security in public places, but also to keep track of and monitor people without their knowledge or permission. In addition, AI can detect patterns and behaviors within data, yet it may not be able to fully register the ethical implications of these decisions. Therefore, humans must be involved in the AI process to ensure its goals are met responsibly. Another reason for human intervention is that it can help avoid unforeseen consequences. As AI systems become increasingly more advanced and powerful, they become increasingly more unpredictable and hard to control. If an AI system is not monitored and handled properly, It could lead to unexpected and possibly hazardous results. For example, a self-driving car not trained to recognize a stop sign could cause a major crash. Through involving humans in the generation and deployment of AI technologies, any potential risks can be identified and acted upon. Is regulation necessary? As a lawyer, I think that it is important to set some rules and regulations when it comes to artificial intelligence. AI can be an incredible tool for good, but it also brings with it some significant risks that need to be managed. The potential for AI to do harm is real. We've already seen examples of AI being used in discriminatory ways and autonomous weapons that select their own targets without any human input. The potential of AI to increase job opportunities is also unclear. This is why some kind of regulation is necessary to make sure AI is used in a responsible way. One way to control AI would be to ban the creation of new AI without human oversight. Establishing a governmental entity to test AI programs and set standards for their development could help. But this process might be quite slow since authorities can often be sluggish when reacting. The EU AI Act. The EU AI Act, a pioneering legal action, aims to supervise the evolution and implementation of AI within Europe. It hopes to guarantee that AI systems and services are safe, safeguarded, and observing the EU values and fundamental rights. The Act suggests some influential initiatives that would have an effect on AI technology in Europe. The main aspects of the proposed AI Act are: a validation course of action monitored by government bodies will be put in place for high-risk usages of AI. AI systems that involve people must meet clearness essentials. Particular unacceptable components of AI systems will be forbidden. Human intercession will be compulsorily applied according to GDPR, the White Paper on AI, and the Ethics Guidelines for Trustworthy AI. Human supervision will be promoted, with advice on how to accomplish this given. Maximum usage of resources and collaboration of investments will be sought after via the Horizon Europe and Digital Europe programs. The AI Act does not necessarily stop AI from creating other AIs without any human input. Instead, the legislation puts more emphasis on the need for meaningful means of human oversight when creating AI. The text also demands examples of how such oversight can be achieved, implying that stricter regulation of AI with no human involvement may be imminent. In general, the European Union's AI Act is a significant step toward regulating AI production in Europe. It sets out safety, security, and fundamental rights protocols, while also providing guidance to developers, deployers, and users of AI systems. It also pushes for greater human input in the creation of AI. However, regulation is only part of the puzzle when it comes to an ethical approach towards using artificial intelligence. Companies should also abide by the principles of trustworthy AI, accept responsibility for their decisions involving AI, and commit to transparency when it comes to their utilization of AI technology. Conclusion: I am in agreement with Power's stance that humans must be involved in the production of AI technology. Its utilization has the potential to be very useful, but it is also potential hazardous if not properly used. We should be aware of and comprehend how AI works, so that its decisions are ethical and don't lead to unforeseen consequences. Furthermore, I believe that the development of AI should happen alongside people, rather than replacing them outright. At the same time, I think we should recognize the advancements AI has so far demonstrated and will continue to make in the future. It is becoming more advanced and is applicable to more areas of life, from healthcare to finances. As such, it is necessary to keep up with its evolution to make sure it is used responsibly for our benefit. In conclusion, regulation of AI is compulsory to protect people from the harm it can create. Nevertheless, regulation alone isn't enough. AI-utilizing organizations need to assume responsibility in creating and disseminating dependable AI, while also being responsible for countering any risks involved. Follow Dennis Hilleman on Medium for more insights on AI and law.
Thanks for listening to this week's episode. If you want to keep up to date with technology and law, connect with Dennis on LinkedIn. Share your thoughts and reach out to him. See you in the next episode.